Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp on your smart TV. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is go to your apps. I want you to install one application before we download WhatsApp on your smart TV. This is called Downloader. As you can see, I will open it Downloader by aftvnews.com. You need to install this application before we can download WhatsApp. The next thing you need to do is go to the browser, and here you need to type in WhatsApp. So here you need to search WhatsApp application download. Once you search WhatsApp application, here in the search bar, it will bring you a list of different websites. We will go to whatsapp.com, just tap on that one. From here, when the website opens, you will see download WhatsApp directly. You need to tap on this one. The file is downloading, we will wait for it to download first. As you can see, the application is already downloaded, so we need to install the application. Tap on install, and now the application is installing. As you can see, the app is already installed. Now I will tap on open to open the application. Here, as you can see, the application is already open. So that's basically how you can install WhatsApp on your smart TV. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.